The days of Benelli making flashy, expensive, high-end fare is over. A wave of future-proofing pragmatism has swept over the legendary Italian company with models like this, the TRK 502X adventure bike. Based on the more road-orientated TRK 502, Benelli is attempting to meet global demand smack bang in the middle with the 500cc configuration. It also helps that the engine is an absolute ripper, with a tractable strong feel, soft clutch, slick gearbox and raspy exhaust note. The X also shares the same 20-litre fuel tank and steel trellis frame as the Donor, but then takes on a more rugged path with the spoke wheels, adventure tyres, engine guard and longer suspension travel. The exhaust is also side mounted instead of underslung, and the brakes are also floating calipers instead of radial, but are still very capable stoppers. Bikesales rode the 502X in Italy, on many of the same roads where Valentino Rossi plied his trade as a wild teenager. The X, despite its larger 19-inch front wheel, handles the tarmac very well, with a very sit-in posture and a fair reach to the bars. We only ventured off-road for a while, but it's undoubtedly where the suspension brings out the best in the bike, and where Benelli is pinning its hopes on the X striking a chord with Aussie buyers. The TRK 502X, like all good adventure bikes, isn't a one-trick pony. It can take on a variety of roles with aplomb. Of course, it's not about sophistication and cutting-edge electronics on the Benelli, but a machine that opens up the boundaries of adventure in a no-fuss, compliant manner, and all for well under 9k.